Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Monrovia local and long distance movers near me. Moving 100 miles away or more means you need the help of long distance movers. Our team of movers will make sure you don't have to worry about your move. We help you move across the country or just to the next state over. Whether you're looking for basic moving services or a full service move, we can help. Our team offers the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent prices. If you're looking for a local California moving company, you likely want the benefits of professional movers. With good movers, you will be able to speed up the moving process. It will become far easier for you to move. A professional moving company will take care of all the heavy lifting for you. Local movers, such as 3 Movers, give you the time-saving benefits you desire. Our team will streamline the moving process. On moving day, we make things simple. If the move would take you all day to complete, or longer, we can get it done in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Monrovia moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.